Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite problem. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info you click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache and you click here in this page or in this window. After that we click on Play Store. You can go to update and you can update your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and